Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing LiveDocs, deal that just arrived on AppSumo and it seems really neat. It costs $99 as a lifetime deal and you get their basic plan features. Current deal is mapped to their basic plan, but you can upgrade to Pro directly from within LiveDocs. It costs $99 and let's take a look at the tool. The idea here is that you're going to create documents and integrate it with their integrations to create different kinds of reports. I have many templates, so you don't need to create it from scratch. I'm gonna show you the templates that they have. So building public, GitHub report, web traffic report, boost Twitter signal, Twitter reports, time form analytics, newsletter audience reports, B2B SaaS insights, web traffic reports, Instagram reports, social media analytics, etc. You can create a report from scratch or you can use one of those templates. For the sake of that review, let's use the Instagram report template. You can preview the template here, okay? And then you click here to use this template. Okay, so everything is ready here. You only need to add your data on the space. To add the data, you click here. You will connect your Instagram account. Here on the right, you can see that I connected Instagram, but you can also see all the integrations: Twitter Analytics, Google Analytics, Stripe, Facebook Ads, HubSpot, Google Ads, Segment, GitHub, Google Sheets, MailChimp, Mailgun, Notion, they have Notion, Slack, and Typeform. So now my account is connected. I'm gonna select account and also your time frame. Let's say I wanna track the last 14 days. Edit this metric. It's done. You can see my metric here: followers gained, my reach, impressions, comments, likes, total posts. So here I'm going to select 30 days. Now my account's already connected. I don't need to do it again. My number of followers, reach and engagement, again, 30 days. You can see how it's pretty simple to create a new report. Again here, selecting my metrics. Again, my engagement here. You can select one of the medias to show up. Okay, I selected one of mine here. And how you can, now that my report is ready, you can see that I created it in a minute. What you can do, you can of course change that report, but here, if it's ready, you can share using secret links. You can embed the report. Yeah, it's possible to embed the report on your website, which is pretty cool. You copy the document link, copy and paste, and here it is. Here it is, the whole report. Okay, let's say you want to change anything. You can add metrics and charts from Google Analytics, custom block from GitHub, inline variables for Twitter. You can see all the metrics here on the right. I like they have Notion here. It's pretty different. So you can create variables using Notions. So play around with values and their variations from your Notion wix. Okay, so Notion integration is here. By now they have those integration. I think they will add more on the roadmap. If you like that review, please click on the link in the description so you can take a look to get to know more about LiveDocs. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.